Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson, General Manager and Chief Technology Officer here at On and On in Milpitas, California. I'm here with another Did You Know On and On. Today we're going to talk about patient monitoring and the critical nature of having a connector that is easy and intuitive to plug in and also important to unplug. It's bad enough that our poor patient here, Fred, he's not feeling well. And in order to bring Fred's spirits up and make him feel better, we got to plug him into a bunch of patient monitoring equipment. I have a few examples here. Here's an example of a standard IV pump that is on wheels. And you can see this is a traditional IV pump connector. And it's very common for a patient or nurse to unplug this when the patient gets up to go to the bathroom or to simply exercise, walk around. You can see how difficult, and I'm just trying to push this in, and it's not very intuitive, especially with this thing being on wheels. You have to hold on to this and plug that in, and you can't quite see it, but I can. It's not even plugged in straight. So what we've done is we've modified one of these with MagConnect, and see how intuitive and easy that is to plug in. And say Fred's got to run to the bathroom, how quick and easy that is to unplug. This is a great example where MagConnect is a great alternative to one of these non-intuitive connectors that is very difficult to plug in, especially something that's on wheels. Here's another great example where plugging the connector into a patient monitoring system is not very intuitive and easy. You have to hold this thing down and plug it in. And it's to unplug it, I mean, it's supporting the weight of the whole device, which is not ideal. So in order to unplug this, you gotta hold on to it, and it's not very intuitive. Being a circular connector, you gotta spin it around, which causes damage to the device and the connector, and it's not very easy to unplug or to plug it in. MagConnect's elliptical shape and magnet make it effortless to plug in and to unplug without damaging or upsetting the location of the patient monitoring device. When you're doing a design refresh on your patient monitoring device, please consider MagConnect, the most intuitive connector in the world for patient monitoring. MagConnect is ideal for both reusable and disposable applications where cost is critical. But more importantly, safely and intuitively plugging in your patient monitoring device with the assurance that it's plugged in correctly every time. Please visit onandoncom to learn more or to schedule an appointment with one of our engineers who are happy to help design in MagConnect into your patient monitoring device. Thank you for allowing me to share another Did You Know On and On.